Hey everybody, welcome to a new episode of Food and a Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. Now, how many times have you asked yourself this question? What am I going to have for breakfast? Well, how about an energizingly delicious blueberry and oats smoothie? Okay guys, so what I have here are my blueberries, and these are frozen blueberries. Feel free to use fresh ones if you so desire. I went to the store and I bought the fresh ones, and I bought these because the frozen ones were on sale, buy two get one free. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna take advantage of that. Now let us continue, because what we have here are the frozen blueberries, and I didn't use the entire pack, I used half of it. So I'm just gonna put these in the fridge to thaw, and then I'm gonna put them in my my smoothie machine to turn them into this delicious smoothie. Okay you guys, so I think the blueberries are about ready. We are going to scoop them into my jug, just like so. Easy does it. There we go. Alright, so next what I'm gonna add some of this blueberry juice. And this, like I said earlier, it doesn't contain added sugar, and that is why I like it. So next what I'm gonna add are a couple of slices of ginger to give it some zing, just like so. And lastly, what I'm gonna add are some oats, about 2 of these tablespoons. Well, let's do 3. There we go. And next what we're gonna do, we are going to blitz this to a pulp. Oh yes, this looks good. Now let me give you the final serving suggestion. And there you have it, you guys. The final serving suggestion of your delicious, beautiful, super healthy, power booster blueberry breakfast smoothie. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I think it does. So if you decide to try this smoothie, let me know how it turns out, because you know I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, don't add crazy to the craziness, and I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys, and cheers! Ooh, honey, you can taste that ginger, and the mint, delicious.